I'ma head out then.
Tattoo they name on your dick and your cash ticket. So famous niggas want more. I'm just like you.
CB on the beat, ho.
What you running here, man? Let me know what you running here.
No, I got 12-inch ZV6s on 45500 Cosmos on 100 amp-hour skips.
I know that voltage didn't drop it out.
Yeah, two double XL brand X and one XL brand X.
Oh, so that's why you didn't drop it out.
Yeah.
That thing's still playing good, man.
Yeah.
Yeah, good singing, bro.
Yes, sir.
What can they find you at? Are you on social media anywhere?
Facebook mostly.
Oh, what can they find you on there?
Brian Jones.
Brian Jones. Y'all be sure to give him a follow. Team, is it?
Actually, Team Wicked is saying all that we merged
okay,
two teams. So.
Okay, I remember seeing y'all last year. I think y'all were up there.
And we were Team Insane, but we merged two teams this year. So
even better, man.
We're gonna be even stronger this year.
Man, I sure appreciate them, man. It's good to see you, man.
Yes, sir.
I'll probably see you at a Deadly Hurts coming up.
Sir. Oh yeah, definitely. Yes, sir. We have our show coming up next year too.
Okay, man. I'm gonna keep in touch with y'all, man. Hopefully I can try to make it.
All right,
it's gonna be in Virginia.
It's gonna be in Virginia.
Hopefully I can try to be there.
That won't be far from the age.
Okay.
Equipment ain't gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out CarAudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support.